How do you plan and schedule this time for strategic planning, let's call it that critical thinking, versus the execution and doing?
I think it's good to distinguish with your team levels of feedback. We write a PM or we write a service or we write something, and we deploy it to the team. Always make a point to tell them that this is not brick and mortar. This is not set in stone. Follow out the tasks, make your notes, come see me after the fact, or, make time, make yourself available to where there's an outlet for them to give you that feedback on the critical process that you've laid out. And you don't want to be like, here's this, pick it apart and don't do anything. It's more give them the avenue, the outlet, the ability to give you feedback on those things in a controlled environment.
Bryan, I'm curious how you've implemented this at your team, and also really curious to how you've seen that really improve and create a healthier maintenance and reliability organization.
I link their work life to their personal life and vice versa to help them really understand that the things that we want or the outcomes that we want are not just work things. They're tied to you, and they can benefit you in a positive way at home as well. Critical thinking is a life skill. It benefits far beyond maintenance and reliability. And, people that think critically and apply the principles to their personal lives can make better decisions at home, and in turn to make them happier, more fulfilled, and then therefore making them more present at work. So you can see these things when you start to help people understand process-oriented thinking. It's a huge benefit to really nail down your thought process and to really understand your team's thought process in the things that they're doing, to make sure that it is goal-oriented with some structure so that we're not wasting time fooling around with something that logically we know isn't a part or relevant in the process.